Hey y'all, my name is Jack Arnold. I'm the owner of Arnold Electric Services. We are Chicago's old home electrical experts, and here's an electrical tip for you on two-prong outlets. So what does it mean when you have two-prong outlets in your house? So here's an example of a two-prong outlet. It means you don't have the third opening here for your ground, which means you can only use ungrounded cords like this to plug into your outlets. But also, if you have two-prong outlets, what else could it mean? It could mean that you have a cloth-covered wire electrical system. Cloth-covered wire lasts 50 to 60 years. If you have cloth-covered wire in your house in Chicago right now, it means it was installed in the 50s or 60s and it's well beyond its safe operating lifespan and it should be replaced. Arnold Electric is Chicago's old home electrical experts, and we rewire probably one house a week in Chicago on average. So we're really good at what we do, and we can help you out. We can replace your two-prong outlets for you as well. Give us a call, 773-647-1120, or check us out at arnolelectricchicago.com. Thanks, y'all.